Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips that I've been using myself that helped me to break an old habit and build a new one. Number 1, change the identity. For example, you want to eat healthy, you want to be fit. Then never say that you are dieting. Change its identity and say that you want to eat healthy because dieting feels like a punishment, and you can shift that and feel it is a positive thing to eat healthy rather than going on a diet. Or if you want to save, saying that you want to save makes you feel that you are operating from lack. So instead of saying that I'm saving, say that my priorities are different. I would rather invest that money in something else. Tip number 2, 1% improvement. Always take things one step at a time. Whatever habit you want to build, focus on that one habit. Because you want to focus on everything at once, it is tough to even focus on that one thing which is at the current moment your priority. So always take one thing at a time. Focus on improving the process little by little. For example, if I am a makeup artist and I want to improve the quality of makeup that I do, I'd first focus on, okay, I can improve the liner, or I could focus on working on the highlighting part. So when you focus on one thing at a time, it is easier to build that habit. Another tip, change the environment. Whatever habit you want to build, make sure that it is easier to access, it is easier to reach to that place. And whatever habit you want to break, make sure that accessibility to that is a bit difficult. For example, if you want to build a healthy eating habit, if you are a person like me who likes to order a lot of food online, then delete the app. Whatever online ordering apps you have, delete them. What happens is you have made its accessibility difficult. If you want to order something online, you will have to download that app again, put your details, select your location in order to order the food. So that makes it a bit tough. If you want to build a habit, or if you want to be quicker in your service, make the products that you want accessible, easily accessible. That way you'll be able to improve the process. If you want to reduce your screen time, then you could place your phone at a place where it is difficult to reach. If you are trying to do yoga every day, make that yoga mat easily accessible to you. When you change the environment and make it more easily accessible, it will also help you to be consistent with those habits. Another tip, be under the right influence. Who are the people who are influencing your habits? The people who are closest to you, the people who are powerful, and whatever habit is followed by most of the people around you will set the basis for your habits. So, whatever your circle is, be mindful of that circle. If they are very productive, then that productivity will have a positive impact on you. If they are lazy, that will also influence you. Or if they like to earn well, that will be influencing you. So, if you want to build good habits, you must be in a good circle. You must have those people around you who already have those habits. Next tip is measure progress visually. Your progress should always be written. It will act as a motivation. For example, if I'm trying to eat healthier, I'll visually check whether the current things that I'm doing are actually helping me in achieving that goal. If not, I must change those techniques. I have started making a list. For example, if I want to get up early every day and I want to go for a run, I have written it somewhere, and there are boxes where I tick that this is the day when I did this and which day I missed it. So that helps me to track my progress, whether I am actually able to build that habit. Every time I tick, it's a positive motivation that I have been able to do this, and every time I'm ticking it, it also makes me feel that okay, I have not ticked it today, I have to do it. So that also helps in building that habit. Another thing I do is make your self discipline easier. How can you do that? Remove all the obstructions. For example, if I have to eat healthy, I have to get rid of all the unhealthy food. I would get rid of the people who make me eat unhealthy, or I would start saying no to the people who take me to parties where I eat a lot of unhealthy food. So, any obstruction that you have towards building that habit, identify that for yourself and remove all those obstructions. Another tip, Setting the right challenge level. For example, if you want to build a healthy eating habit, if the challenge level is easy, then you might say that, okay, I'll start eating healthy once in a week. That is too easy, that is too boring. If the challenge level is too difficult, that I have to eat healthy every day, it would be too tough. You would be demotivated, and a difficult habit would mean that you would not be consistent. So, setting the challenge level to medium would ensure that you are not bored and you'll be able to build that habit. So, these are the tips that I have used for myself in order to build new habits by being consistent, whatever helped me to be consistent, removing the obstructions, writing the things so that I remember what I have to follow and making it easily accessible. बोल बोल क्या बोलना है
Subscribe for बंद करिए
नहीं बोलती रहे
subscribe more for Tanisha Maidani makeup artist and do like subscribe comment.
If you like my content, do like and share. I love you all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.